Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the shop once again. Today we're working on a 2005 Ford Explorer 4.6 liter that has a timing chain rattle concern according to the customer and the customer's son-in-law, okay? I don't think so. Now this vehicle's been sitting over a year. It has a stuck rear caliper, battery's beyond dead, exhaust is blown out on there, and it also has this really bad noise up front by the timing chain cover area. Today we're going to show you a real quick test you can use to figure out if it's internal engine noise or external, and you'll find out real quick if it's serious or if it's just something really simple that doesn't cost that much. So let's go start it up. I'll let you guys listen to this one, and we'll just go from there. All right, here we go. You ready for it? Oh! You can hear the exhaust noise. All right, so pretty bad, right? It's got a huge exhaust leak and all that, lots of noise up front here, and you really can't tell which it is, especially when it idles down. It sounds like that slapping of the chain, like there's broken guides inside of there hitting the front cover here. It's all this noise coming from right here. So the best thing to do at this point is simply remove that belt on a cold engine, and then we're gonna start it up. If the noise is gone, you know it's in the accessory drive here. Now, once the belt is off, we can also spin these and kind of listen for them, but we're definitely gonna know when this thing starts up and idles down if that noise is gone with that belt off and none of these accessory drive pulleys spinning. I'm guessing because it's most common on these is for the pulley right there for the tensioner. You can actually see it's moving a little bit there. See the old wear mark on there? It's not tracking right anymore on the tensioner because the pulley and the tensioner has moved. Okay, you see it? That's a key right there. It's usually the tensioner bearings or the grooved idler right there. See, second one down? Those are most common to cause this kind of noise, and it does take a while to get this bad. But once it is this bad and you're presented with it, what the heck is making all that noise up front here? Pull the belt and you're gonna know right away. All right, here we go, Joe. Swing the belt off, nice and easy to get off on here. And you can see it's beyond done for anyways, but that's not our noise. That's gonna cause a squeak noise. We're going after these pulleys on here. So what you wanna do is you wanna leave the pulleys on the vehicle, because when you spin them, any kind of bearing noise is gonna resonate through that front cover and make it worse and kind of simulate the sound you're hearing when the engine is running and everything's fully intact. So you're just gonna spin each one. Bad, okay? Now this one down here, let me get you a better angle. Real bad. And this one, see that? The bearing's totally shot in there. And that one was moving when I pulled the belt off too. I knew it was a definite issue. We heard tons of noise from this area, okay? Like I said, that belt wasn't tracking on here. You can see the wear marks on here where it keeps it nice and clean. It was off, okay? Bad. Bad. And then you come over here, there's two more on most vehicles. That's how they should sound, okay? And this one, that one sounds good too. This one's got a little graininess to it. But they're okay. If you didn't have the money, you could definitely avoid these two right here and just go after these. Now the bad part about this, again, let me get you in here a little bit better angle here. Let you guys see what I'm seeing. This one right here is bad because when this one fails, it really can't walk this way, it walks that way. And then it starts grinding into the front cover. And if it gets through the front cover, we need to pull the front cover and do a full, basic timing job as far as labor goes. And that's gonna be really costly. If you start hearing noises like this, take care of them before it happens. Look at this thing. It's ready to walk into that front cover, okay? Real bad. And then over here, I'll spin the water pump. Usually these have no bearing issues at all. And then a little tug in the fan here to check it for any kind of wobble. Nope, everything's good. Now at this point, with the belt off and out of the way, you don't want to get sucked down into there, okay? We can go ahead and we can start the engine up for a short period of time, 30 seconds or so, and we can listen. The noise is gone. We know it's isolated to the accessory drive area here. We can shut it down. It's that quick. Right, here we go. Same thing. Quiet. Got a little exhaust leak. Big one down below. But no noise from the timing cover area. That's how quick it can be to diagnose and pinpoint the noise on these engines.